Hi, my name is Tony Robbins, and I'm going to share my thoughts with you about Unshakeable. Have you ever dreamed of a life free from financial worries? A life where money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool to design your ideal future? This dream is achievable, it's within your reach. You have the power to achieve true financial freedom. Many people feel overwhelmed by finances, they think it's too complicated or they believe they don't earn enough to make a difference. But the truth is, financial freedom isn't just for the rich. It's about making conscious decisions, adopting empowering habits, and taking control of your financial destiny. This journey begins with a single step: the decision to free yourself from limiting beliefs and embrace the incredible potential you carry within. You are capable of achieving amazing things. I believe in you. Let's embark on this journey together. Let's unlock the secrets to a life of financial peace and abundance. Together we can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, every small step counts. Every decision you make brings you closer to your goal. You are not alone on this path. Together we can overcome any obstacle and achieve financial freedom. Let's make it happen. You are capable of achieving amazing things. I believe in you. Let's embark on this journey together. Let's unlock the secrets to a life of financial peace and abundance. Fear often keeps us from reaching financial success. Fear of the unknown, fear of making mistakes, fear of losing what we've worked so hard to earn. But there's a powerful antidote to fear: knowledge. When you understand how money works, you gain a sense of control and confidence. You're no longer intimidated by financial jargon or complex investment strategies. You can make informed decisions that align with your goals and values. Start by educating yourself about basic financial concepts: budgeting, saving, investing. There are countless resources available: books, articles, online courses that can equip you with the knowledge you need to take charge of your finances. Remember, financial education isn't a one-time event, it's a continuous process. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop looking for ways to improve your financial intelligence. The financial market, just like life itself, is full of ups and downs. The fluctuations can be challenging, but they also offer opportunities. There will be periods of growth and prosperity, but also times of uncertainty and decline. It is in these moments that resilience is tested. It's important to remember that market fluctuations are a natural part of the economic cycle. We shouldn't fear them, but understand them. History has shown time and time again that the market has an incredible ability to recover and reach new heights. Patience is key. Think about the major economic recessions we've witnessed: the Great Depression, the dot-com bubble burst, the 2008 financial crisis. Each one taught us valuable lessons. In each case, the market eventually recovered, often stronger than before. Recovery is a constant in economic history. Understanding the market's historical resilience can provide a sense of perspective and peace of mind during turbulent times. It gives us confidence. It reminds us that, while short-term fluctuations are inevitable, the long-term trajectory of the market tends to be upward. A long-term vision is essential. Section 4. Mastering your mindset. Navigating the psychology of investing. Investing isn't just about numbers and charts, it's also about understanding human behavior and mastering your own emotions. Staying calm and making smart choices is really important. The psychology of investing plays a key role in your success. Understanding how emotions affect your choices can make all the difference. Fear and greed are two strong emotions that can really influence investment decisions. These feelings can cloud your judgment. Fear can lead to selling investments during market downturns, locking in losses. It's important to recognize when fear is guiding your actions. Greed can fuel impulse buying at inflated prices, which could lead to future disappointments. Patience is key to avoiding costly mistakes. To navigate the psychological traps of investing, it's essential to develop a disciplined and rational approach. Discipline will help you stay on the right track. Create a well-defined investment plan that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. A solid plan will give you confidence. Remember, investing should be a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and perseverance are essential. Stay focused on your long-term goals and don't let short-term market swings derail your strategy. Calmness and a clear mind are your best allies. Section 5. The magic of compound interest, turning pennies into fortunes. One of the most powerful concepts in personal finance is the magic of compound interest. Simply put, compound interest is the process of earning interest on your initial investment as well as on any accumulated interest. Imagine a snowball rolling downhill. As it gathers more snow, it gets bigger and bigger, gaining momentum as it rolls. Compound interest works in a similar way. The sooner you start investing and the longer you stay invested, the more time your money has to compound and grow exponentially. Harness the power of compound interest by starting early, being consistent with your investments and letting time work its magic. Section 6. Your Roadmap to Freedom. Building a solid financial plan. Creating a solid financial plan is like building a roadmap to your desired destination, financial freedom. Set your goals and track your spending. Understand where your money is going and create a budget. Prioritize saving and investing. Create an emergency fund. Invest wisely and diversify. Review and adjust your plan regularly. Financial planning is an ongoing process. Stay committed and celebrate your progress. In this chapter, Tony Robbins is going to tell us about the strategies and the mindset we need to become wealthy over time. He's going to tell us why it's so important to be consistent, invest smartly, and take advantage of the power of compound interest. With real-life examples and practical advice, Tony will guide us in building and maintaining our wealth over the long term. It's not just about making money, but about mastering the art of accumulating it. Tony will share how small actions, done consistently, can bring big results, and how anyone, no matter where they come from, can achieve financial freedom. If we focus on long-term goals and make smart decisions, we can create a secure and prosperous financial future. Remember, the road to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay informed, and you'll see how your efforts little by little lead you to financial success. With Tony Robbins' guidance, you'll be on the right track. Welcome to Chapter 10, The Power of Financial Independence. Today, Tony Robbins is going to tell us about the life-changing power of achieving financial independence. Imagine a life where financial stress is a thing of the past, and you have the freedom to make decisions based on your desires, not your obligations. Tony will share his wisdom on how to create multiple streams of income, a key strategy for reducing financial anxiety and building a strong financial foundation. He's going to explain the importance of diversifying your earnings and how this can protect you in tough times. With inspiring stories and practical advice, Tony will guide you on your path to financial independence. He'll show you how you can take control of your financial destiny, break free from the chains of living paycheck to paycheck, and embrace a life full of opportunities and freedom. This chapter isn't just about financial tips. It's about empowering you to live your best life. Remember, financial independence isn't a distant dream, it's an achievable goal. Stay inspired, take action, and see how you transform your financial reality. Join us as we explore the power of financial independence and how it can change your lives forever. Welcome to the final chapter, Creating a Legacy of Wealth. In this section, Tony Robbins is going to tell us about the importance of leaving a legacy and making sure your wealth benefits future generations. Imagine a future where your financial achievements continue to take care of your loved ones long after you're gone. Tony will guide you through the essentials of estate planning, ensuring that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. He's going to talk about the power of giving to charity, showing how your wealth can have a significant impact on the causes you care deeply about. Tony is also going to talk about the importance of teaching your children about money, giving them the knowledge and values they need to manage and grow their inheritance wisely. He's going to share practical tips on how to talk to your family about money, creating a culture of financial responsibility and empowerment. This chapter isn't just about accumulating money, but about creating a lasting impact and securing your family's financial future. Tony's insights will help you build a legacy that reflects your values and dreams, ensuring that your wealth continues to make a positive difference for generations to come. Join us as we explore how to create a legacy of wealth and take the necessary steps to secure a prosperous future for your family. Remember, the legacy you build today will shape the world of tomorrow.